welcome to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can create a Twitch account for yourself. So for that, open a Google browser in your PC and click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in twitch.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page of Twitch. Once you're at the official web page, you need to tap on the sign up on the top right corner. Click that. Now to sign up, you will need to provide all the details over here. Here you can type in the user ID for your Twitch account. Here you can see the username is already taken, so you will need to provide a different one. And this one is available. You can see the tick mark over here. Now type in the password. Confirm the password. Now below you choose your date of birth. And below you need to provide your phone number. You can create your Twitch account with the email instead as well. Click on use email instead. Now you type in the email address of yours. As you can see here, the password is very common. That's why the sign up over here is not clickable. So you type in a strong password for you to click sign up. Now once you have done the password correction, you can click on sign up over here. A 6-digit code has been sent to the email address of yours. You need to type in that code over here on this text box. You can go and check your Gmail. There's the Twitch mail. Click upon that and you need to copy this over here. Click on copy and paste it over here on the text box. With that, your account will be verified. That is, your email address will be verified, and with that you will have your Twitch account being created. Here you can see your profile name over here at the right side. So this is how you can create a Twitch account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.